Hey counselors, Counselor Community Engagement Team here with some info to help you learn about getting scores in the K-12 reporting portal. All student score reports are posted in the K-12 reporting portal. You can get there by visiting counselors.collegeboard.org and selecting the SAT Suite of Assessments Toolkit. Once you're there, click Scores and Reports, and then go directly to the K-12 reporting portal. You'll need to be granted access by your school's access manager to see the score reports. If you need help with that, go back and go to the K-12 Reporting Portal Help Center, where you'll find information and training. Once you're signed into the portal, you'll have to choose a report to begin with. Most counselors say they like the roster report found under the Individual Students tab. If you need to batch print reports for your students, you can batch print PDF reports by clicking on Batch Score Reports and scheduling a report, then click Downloads to find your scheduled reports. You can also use the roster report and select the students for whom you want to print. The portal has several other reports, such as the Knowledge and Skills Report and the Performance by All Students Report, to support curriculum and instruction review. Hope this was helpful. Visit cb.org/scores for counselors for all of this information.